Hello, friends. This is Dr. Urvashi Yashroy, your transformational coach from You Are Epic. Magical Monday is a soft nudge to remind you that you truly are magical. And our channel, You Are Epic, is the transformational channel to help you better your best. Anger is a bitter truth of today's time, because we want more from everything and everyone. When we don't get it, we are annoyed or angry. Imagine yourself holding a burning coal in your hand to throw at someone who has annoyed you. Who is hurting the most? Do you ever think about it? Yes, you burn yourself first and may or may not hurt the other person in your anger. Anger is of two types: good anger and bad anger. Good anger is the one your mother shows you when she wants to better you, whereas a bad anger is one which can only lead to more volcanic eruptions. Bad anger is of again two types: explosive and implosive. Explosive is the volcanic eruptions that you see from other people or in yourself, whereas implosive anger is the one that you keep on holding inside you. It basically destroys you inside, and you never are able to say anything to the other person. It leads to a lot of diseases and illnesses. So, dear friends, do not harm yourself anymore. Best way is to handle any such volcano is by understanding that each human being has a right to have his or her perspective, whether it's in accordance with me or not. Everyone's opinion will be different, but will not be wrong. Understanding that, like others, I am entitled to my own perspective, whether it matches the other person or not, is different. Others' perspective is a reflection of their personality, and it has got nothing to do with me. All I can do is to understand the other and give him the space and respect to be different. Respecting others' perspective gives you an understanding of the differences between human and their opinions. That is the outcome of their mind. Your transformational journey from childhood to adulthood, you have witnessed many circumstances, and your perspective basically is the outcome of those circumstances. Remember, staying poised in adversity is a sign of strength. Anger is a wasteful emotion and can only damage you, your environment, and your relations. Every right step towards understanding the situation will help you conquer this futile emotion. So, let's make this journey a magical one by subscribing to Magical Mondays. And never forget, handling all adversities with grace and poise is a sign of calm person. So let's be poised for a new anger-free chapter of our life. Do log in to You Are Epic 11 at our Insta handle and connect with us for many such transformational inputs. Anyone needing personal counseling can contact us on the details given on the screen. Have a magical Monday and a magical week to follow.